All right, my friends. Well, there's a brand new store, Phoenix Wine and Spirits, here in Collierville. They just opened up in about 5 days, so we're gonna go check it out and see what they're all about. And then I'm gonna look at this horse over here. That looks pretty cool. All right, let's check them out. So, it's pretty cool. Dark horse. I believe that is a wine. How cool would that look in somebody's yard? I can't believe that's still here. It's got to be mounted to the ground. All right, let's see their hours. They are in Carterville, Tennessee. All right. And we'll kind of go in, as you can see, as all of these brand new stores tend to be. They're wide open, got a lot of stuff going on. So we got the Jack Daniels. I do like the glasses here. That's cool. Those almost look like my spinny glasses, almost. So there is alcohol infused. So, oh, they work here. I was over here I was lollygagging, trying to let them get over there. So, like the lighting over here for sure. So we got their single barrel rye is 125. We got the Jack Daniel single barrel. And let's see here. They do have something interesting that I've never seen before. So, we got the Dickel. This is brand new toasted. I think this is Crossroads rebranded, but it's still excellent. So, which is good. That's the second. This is more of this Roman man that I'm seeing out here, and then this is the Blue Note Special Reserve, and then we've got the Sweetens Cove. Everything is mostly nice and priced. Literally, they opened up 5 days ago, so you have to cut them a little slack. I thought when I saw this, I thought this was going to be the single barrel, but it's not. So there's a single barrel. All right, let's see. Oh, I can't bend over too much. I've been in several stores today. I had a good time when I was at Chicken You Know What. It was a good fun time. Let's see here. Hopefully you can see the prices. Lots of dark hearts. Let's see, you got the Peerless Toasted batch, and then the High Rye. Oh, and then let's see, got here Woodford. And then got the Joseph Magnus, our buddy Nancy Fraley. This one is barrel or batch 502. See more of this Doc Holliday around too. All right, let's see. Look at that Buffalo Trace on the bottom shelf where it belongs, according to my buddy Sasquatch. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's see here. I got the bourbon. Hopefully these lights, I can see it on here. That's what's confusing about this sometimes, is that I can see it on the camera, but then when you show the video, it doesn't show up very well. So gross. Got the Knob Creeks, the 2XO. This is something unique. I have not seen this before. So this is of course I got the James E. Pepper, and then they've got the gold, which I've never seen the gold before. So it's actually a little bit less proof on there. So I don't know. Someone's gonna have to tell me, because I'm not gonna have a chance to look it up beforehand. So I did do a little bit of walking around. Caution, wet floor. I don't think it's really wet. Got the Early Times new square bottles. I got a little bit of the. I think this is I don't know that I've seen that bottle before. Probably have. When you're in liquor stores all the time, you forget about it, what you've seen. We got the Green Barrel. What's that? Let's see, 133 proof. That's a good proof on that one. And we got Peaky Blinders. So I don't think they have the cask strength on here. Let's see, got the Old Crow. They got all of those flavors. These are all way too sweet for me. I do like making a cocktail, but that may be too much for me. Whichever ones I've ever had, and Whistle Pig is a bit too minty for me. So, all right, let's see here. Let's see. I think these are all kind of more of the flavored stuff. Oh, let's see here. We'll kind of do a walk around, kind of look and see what they have as just in general, and kind of see what they've got going on. They're stocking shelves and stuff right now, so we have to cut them a little slack. I do like the filthy stuff. I picked up a filthy to make some cocktails with. Was running low, so all right. Well, let's see here. Let's see what they have in the by way of Scotch here. Kind of got the general stuff that we all know and love. I like the lighting. The lighting is nice. I think that the way it hits this perfectly, you're able to see all of the stuff that's on here. So I'm not seeing that I've seen the Singleton. You want a nice peaty bomb, that's a good one to go right there and have. So all right, well, I'll walk back here and we'll hit the back wall back here, and we'll oh, you know what, they have a little bit up here. I think they have some bottles up here. I think they've gotten some new stuff, and I don't think they've had a chance to price them yet, so we have that up here. So but I think this is where the new stuff comes in. This is really good stuff too. So oh yeah, he's got the 22 right there. Uh-oh, it's sold though. Is it sold?
It's sold, but we get some, and we have some surprise coming in too.
Okay, nice. They've got the. You mind if I walk back there? I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk back here. This bottle is. A lot of people are really looking forward to looking for some of these bottles. Excuse me. So, oh, they do have the Heaven Hill 22. Let's see, but this bottle right here is 11-year. I'm a big fan of very old Saint Nick. I worry about that green label making it minty, but not necessarily. So, all right. Well, they have very clean, very neat store. You know, it's one of those things where as the store gets fuller, you know, we'll see. You know, and like I said, they're literally stocking stuff out. I do want to talk about something real quick. As always, remember, it takes nothing to be nice. It's easier to be kind. It costs you nothing to be nice. If you're going to, you know, help somebody out today, do something for somebody who hasn't had anything done or can't repay you. I think that's probably one of the greatest gifts we can give to anybody, is to do something for somebody who can't repay you. You know, sometimes and I've been called out on when I say it doesn't cost you anything. It costs you time, yes, but you know, if you know, everything you do doesn't necessarily have to cost you money to help somebody. You know, helping somebody move, helping somebody, you know, being there for somebody who's having a tough time. Let's do that, and let's try to make the world a better place by just being kind and being nice. I think that's kind of one of my. I don't know why it's really of late has really touched my heart. That's what I think that we need to do as a community and as human beings is, hey, let's be nice, let's be kind, and let's try to find some way to make other people happy and help other people. Because I'm a big believer of if you know if I fill your cup, it fills my cup up. So just something to think about. They have, like I said, seriously, they just opened up, and and I asked them. They're talking about doing some clubs and some other stuff as well. Looks like they're going to have cigars and a few other things that are over here. I don't remember if I looked on the other side of that. And like I said, you have to kind of just ignore all that. You'd have to expect that with a brand new store that just opened up. So, all right, guys. Well, I am going to wrap this one up. And if you need somebody to talk to, hang out with, you can always join our Discord. It's free. It's just a bunch of guys hanging out. Sometimes drinking, sometimes not drinking, complaining about their individual CFOs. Is that the Chattanooga Whiskey Alpha? Oh, I think it is. I've never seen that here in town, so it's sitting right there. All right, well, Sláinte, and on to the hunt. Well, I was leaving. They go, oh, we got a couple more bottles here. So they've got the Weller Special Reserve and the 12. How much? Do you have the prices yet on those? They're going to do a quick, and then this Jack 10. The 12 has been my favorite of this year so far. So he's going to do a quick price check on them for us. So 129, and let's see, 99. So all right. Well, that's good. So they had a couple other bottles. I don't know where they went. I'm going to ask them about it off camera, because I'd be a big hero if I got those bottles for a friend of mine. So, all right. Well, on to the next.